I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights.
Hello, my name is Alessandro Moriarty. Welcome back to another special vlog. Today I'm watching AFC Welwyn ladies versus Oakland Wolves women in the Hertfordshire and Bedfordshire women's match. This is the final league game of the season for AFC Welwyn ladies, and I'm really looking forward to today's game. The last time these sides met was early in the season, where it finished as a draw in the reverse fixture. Can the Romans be unbeaten all season, as they haven't lost a game this season, and finish with a win for hopefully to get second place in the table in their very first season? If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the Chesant Vlogs YouTube channel. Come on the Romans this afternoon. Let's get all 3 points on the final league game of the season. Well done, Emily, good save. Close them. Out. Go on, Cole. Go on, Cole. Have a shot. Oh, unlucky. Go, Holly. Great ball. A great save. Come. Oh. Come. Come. Oh, off the post. Come out. Unlucky. Go, Rachel. Come. Go, Rachel. Come. Go, Rachel. Out. 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 Well done, Emily. Oh.
It's just not to.
Go on, Rachel. Yes! Well done, Rachel. First goal of the afternoon goes to AFC Welwyn Ladies through Rachel Wall. AFC Welwyn Ladies 1, Oakland Wolves Women 0. Half-time score, AFC Welwyn Ladies 1, Oakland Wolves Women 0. In the first half, it's actually been a really good first 45 minutes. Lots of chances from both teams. It's been really entertaining first 45 minutes. AFC Welwyn got a goal just before half-time. A lovely through ball from Mel, who set up Rachel Wall, who went round the goalkeeper and tapped it into the open net on the 44th minute. The only problem is with AFC Welwyn, sometimes they're a bit panicky on the ball in the first 45 minutes. If we can get our nerves out of the way and start playing the way we can in the second half, we can score a lot more goals in the second half. So at half time it is AFC Welwyn Ladies 1, Oakland Wolves Women 0. Yes! Well done, Rachel. Second goal of the afternoon goes to AFC Welwyn Ladies with her second of the game, Rachel Wall. AFC Welwyn Ladies 2, Oakland Wolves Women 0. Well done, Leah. Keep going. Keep going, Leah. Oh, unlucky. Two one. Third goal of the afternoon goes to Oakland Wolves. AFC Welwyn Ladies 2, Oakland Wolves Women 1.
Up now, go left.
Shoot. Save, Emily. Go, Rachel. Go, Holly. Unlucky. Shoot. Oh, unlucky. Go, Louisa. Go, Louisa. Go up. Oh, I like her. Go, Leah. Go, Rachel. Go, Rachel. Go, shoot. Oh, it's in. Yeah. Oh. Go back. Oh, I like her. It just hit her heel.
Oh,
She would have been in.
oh, well done.
Go, Louisa.
Oh, go away.
Oh, lucky.
Oh, what a ball, good ball. Go on,
Go,
nick it.
go, Neve.
Probably.
It's indirect.
Oh, great ball.
Oh,
Go on.
go on.
Oh, go on. Oh, shoot. Oh, lucky. Well done, Emily. Well held. Go on. Go on. Oh, what a save. Go on, get this goal. Go on. Go on. Yes!
You can do.
Fourth goal of the afternoon goes to AFC Welwyn ladies with a hat-trick, Rachel Wall. AFC Welwyn ladies 3, Oakland Wolves women 1.
Check his legs again.
Full-time score, AFC Welwyn ladies 3, Oakland Wolves women 1. In the second half it was very entertaining in the second half. Oakland Wolves was better in the second 45 minutes. AFC Welwyn dug deep in the second half, and Rachel will manage to get a hat-trick 3 minutes from time, and that's it. The season is over and AFC Welwyn ladies are undefeated, haven't lost a game this season. Hopefully AFC Welwyn ladies will be playing in the Eastern Regional Division 1 South if they can get into the second place finish. If you enjoyed this matchday vlog, please subscribe to the Cheshunt Vlogs YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.
Shining in the sunlight. I've been